What up, YouTube? Doug here. Evening time. We're grilling out. Got all the kids playing and all the dogs are loose. Opal's blocking everybody's view. Big Zeus, Little Moose, Opal, Diamond. All the bulls are out. Opal, Diamond, come here. Opal, Diamond. They've all were out in their little bully section playing hard. And I figured I'd let them come get some water up here. And I'm about to open the gate and let them run in the big field, try to get some footage. Sometimes it gets tough when you let them in that big yard because they start going far away and I can't keep up with them and they start scrambling. But we'll see how it goes. Let's start letting them out there. Opal, Diamond, Zeus, come on. You want to go? You want to go in the big field? Oh wait, they look good sitting there. Look at Diamond, man. She, in person, Diamond, this black one looks like a real little gorilla. She's crazy. Bella, come on. There's Heisenberg's son and Heisenberg's granddaughter right there, Zeus and Opal. Opal. Good girl, Diamond. All right, guys, you want to go out in the big field? Come on. Opal, come on. Come on. We got to get the big dogs, get them fired up a little bit, and we'll watch them run. All right, you guys ready? Go. There they go. They're off. Not quite as fast as the German Shepherd, but they can move. Now I gotta go catch up to him. Look at Big Zeus. You gotta come, Big Zeus? He just drank a lot of water real quick. All right, let's see if I can catch up to him here. Try to zoom in a little. It's awesome having this land for them to really run and play, but makes making good videos hard because sometimes you're just so far away. What'd you guys find? Look at these little bulls. What are they doing out here? It's not as bad today. It's like 82 degrees. But they played pretty hard when they were back in their section, so they're a little worn out. But look at Diamond. She's such a little hoss. Diamond. Look at Moose out there running. We have about 3 acres here, but it's all fenced. But I like to keep an eye on them because sometimes they'll get up in the brush and the trees and get where there's like snakes or bugs or stuff. I just watch them real close when they're all loose out in the big field. What are you up to, Moose? Who else we got here? Opal, come here, Opal. Come on. Come on, Opal. Opal. Come on, girl. Good girl. Good little Opal, little hoss. Come on, Opal. I gotta find the ball. Opal loves chasing any kind of toy or ball. Come on, Opal. Come on, girl. Opal's a real cool little bully. Come on, Opal. Let's find you a ball, girl. Come on. But yeah, they get excited when I let them out with the big dogs in the big field. All new smells, new spots to sniff and pee, and so forth. All right, let's get Opal chasing the ball here. Opal! Hey, Opal. Get it, girl. Oh, good girl, Opal. She didn't even pick it up this time. Like Diamond. Diamond found a little ball over here. I tell you what, Diamond is the just girthiest, thickest bully we have. But I wouldn't be surprised if we were able to line them all up and race them, which I'm going to try to do one time. I think she'd be the fastest. That little bull can move. She is. Don't let the size deceive you. She can run. She can really move. Ready, Diamond? You ready, girl? Diamond, go get it. Yeah, Zeus is still hanging up there on the porch. Moose, come here, boy. It's real nice on the even, especially on the weekends. We'll just come out and let them really run and play. Moose, Moose, focus. Good boy. Moose, focus. Hey, good boy. Yeah, even in the heat of June, July, August, they'll still come out and play and do their thing. He doesn't really bother them too bad. I mean, you'll see they start panting and breathing heavy when they get real tired and hot, but they don't let it stop them from having a good time. And the moose will find the long grass and start trying to eat grass. All right, Diamond, you ready? Come on, Diamond. Moose, don't eat that, man. The grass gets a little long, they start eating it like they're little cows. Moose. There's Moose doing his frog leg, eating grass. Come on, Diamond, come here, girl. Opal's over there by the front porch. That's a for real 12-inch tall little bully right there. She is short and thick. Diamond. Moose eating grass. What are you eating, Moose? Don't eat that. Why are you eating grass, man? Come here, Opal. There's little Opal. So yeah, it's kind of hard to keep up with them all out here, but I'm doing the best I can. And to take this grass out of Moose's mouth. What are you eating, boy? Look at Opal out here. Opal, come here, girl. Opal has the bloodlines behind her to produce a male with just a monster head on a short, thick body. She really does. She's not near done filling out yet, but both her parents' heads, grandparents, all massive, big, square heads. I think she's going to be really an awesome producer for us. Real short, real thick, but the right balance of muscle and head too. And an unbelievably chill and loving, good temperament. He's an awesome little bull. so happy with Opal and Diamond. They are just top. I mean, to me, when it comes to breeding females, Diamond and Opal are exactly what you want. Couldn't be more happy. But I know it's getting long. I'm gonna end it here. Hope everyone has a good rest of the week.